How to log into your EasyJet Airline Employees account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your EasyJet Airline Employee account. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for EasyJet Airline Employees Login. And once you search in for that, you can just tap on this first link over here. So it's basically an employee account where you'll just tap to enter your employee number as well as your PIN number, your register PIN number, just like this. And once you enter all of these, just fill up this captcha real quick and just click on login to successfully log in as your employee account. And if you're a user who's trying to book a flight, so if you're a user, just head over to this website, that is EasyJet.com. And once you're inside here, you will land on this page and basically just tap on the sign in button to enter, where you'll have to provide your Gmail address, just like this, and just enter your password. And if you want to keep you signed in this website in this current device, you can just tap on this and just click on sign in. And if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on forget in your details, where they will send the reset link for your resetting your password. So once you do all of that, you should be successfully signed into your account on your EasyJet Airlines account. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.